Hi guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Hi guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. So today we're doing a review of 2 brands of ice cream. Yeah.
Please remember to like, share, comments and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you get notified anytime a new video is posted.
Remember to watch our previous videos. Yeah.
Okay, so today we will be reviewing 2 different brands of ice cream: Dairyland vanilla ice cream and Lyons Maid vanilla ice cream. So
yeah, so we start. Round 1. So we are testing the Lyons Maid. Let's see. How do you rate it? Lisa? You're still eating. Whoever has finished, you can rate it.
I feel like it's a bit fatty.
Too creamy.
Yeah, it's fatty, creamy.
It's a bit light in a way.
No, I feel like it's heavy.
It
With
is
the
light,
fat.
but it is creamy.
Yeah.
You can taste again. Okay, let's do the second thing.
Okay. Yeah, still light but creamy.
I'm like light, you mean the flavor is not
Yeah.
yeah.
You're
The flavor
not
is not
feeling the
strong.
flavor
You're not
immediately
feeling the
you
vanilla.
buy, you take a bite.
Yeah.
But it's very creamy, very fatty.
What it doesn't have is the
Yes.
Yeah.
flavor that is there. Okay. So
It's
So-
not bad.
so if you're rating
Nice.
it, what out of 10, what would you give it?
Don't want to sound like a bad.
I'd say-
No,
I'd say like
this is your personal opinion. It's not a bad thing to rate something.
Out of 10. 7.
Wow, that's a good rating. You?
give it a 5.
A 6.
I would also give it a 5. Yeah. For me, it's average.
It's meh.
It doesn't have the oomph.
And it's not bad.
It's not bad.
But it's not good.
Yeah, it could happen too. It's just somewhere in the middle. It's not bad and it's not good. Yeah. So we prepare for the we give it like a few minutes so that we lose the taste of that one.
Mkate.
We eat the biscuit.
Mkate, please.
Mkate.
It's a
So-
clear palate.
So we are going to eat a slice of bread so that it clears the palate, and then we take the next flavor. So we are enjoying the bread. Guys, do you feel like your taste buds are fresh for the next flavor after taking the bread?
Yeah.
So,
Okay, so now we'll review the Dairyland vanilla flavor ice cream.
So what is your take, guys?
There's no big difference between this one and this one, but this one is better.
I feel that this one is much smoother. That one was a bit crystal-like. This one is much smoother, and the vanilla really, you can taste it.
Okay. So what is your rating?
Me, I would give it a 7.
You?
6.5 or a 7. 7.
I would give it a 7. I'd give it a 7. So, which means we're not here, guys. We are not here to criticize brands. Disclaimer. We're not here to criticize brands. We're just comparing, and there's no bad brand. They are all good. It just depends on which one makes you happy. So it's very personal. It's not like we have a preference. We are just checking them out, but we are not here to spoil the names of the brands. And it's just for a review, our honest opinion. So thank you so much for watching this video.
They're not bad actually, because
Yeah.
we take them
You take them all, yeah.
Exactly, and we have
And
even rated them more than 5.
Yes, and they're actually very affordable. So.
Yeah.
And
So-
the ice cream.
So you better sponsor us, Dairyland. And the other one is Lyons Maid.
Especially me.
Yes, especially Tracy.
Yes, please sponsor us. We are going to be enjoying the ice cream more often. Yeah. So what do you have to say, guys, as a closure of this game night come review night? I'll start with Teresa.
The games were really fun, but that noodle challenge really brought me down. Because, but it was fun. It was fun. The review was fun also because we got to eat ice cream. Yeah.
Tracy?
The games. Well, they were fun and challenging for me, but really fun, really interesting. The review was good. It was good reviewing ice cream. I think you can tell us to review more things.
Yeah, please,
Yeah,
please,
give
by
us
the way, give
ideas,
us suggestions
yeah.
of what we can review.
Yeah.
So yeah, it was fun. The Skittles, we just hit the spot afterwards.
They make you forget the
It
challenge.
just made me forget. And it was a great bonding activity.
Yeah, by the way, it's a very good game for the family because you're seated at the same table, so you do the games, you bond. You know, actually, we never looked at it like that. We were just having fun, but we ended up even bonding. Yeah.
It's fun.
You were saying something.
I'm saying we take time off the normal things. like
Seriousness,
life.
yeah.
Yeah.
And it's a good way of utilizing your holiday. The 5-day weekend.
Yeah, by the way. Or even over the weekends, you don't have to sit bored and all the time you're just watching TV. Everyone in the house is on their phone.
Play a few games.
Antisocial behavior.
Yeah. Create a bonding session. Yeah. So thank you so much, guys, for watching. Keep it here for more videos. What do we have to say, guys?
Subscribe,
like,
comment,
Share.
try them out,
Hit that notification bell.
view our previous videos.
Please. And if you have tried them, please tag us on our social media pages. I am going to put all the social media pages down there and put also on the description box down below. Please support our channel. You just need to subscribe and put the notification bell on, and it is free of charge.
Yeah.
Yes.
Like our videos.
Yes.
And
Yes,
share.
yes. And of course, if you're a brand out there and you want to partner with us, Are we not
do
open?
reviews for you.
Yes, even
Yeah,
challenges.
Yes, and challenges.
Yes. Okay, thank you guys. See you on our next one.
Bye.
Bye.